Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the armrest in the doors. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is remove the screws in the inside of the handle.
These are two here. Maybe something back here. That might be all the screws because we got here. I think it's maybe two. Yeah, the last two back here. Now we good. Find all these clips back here. Shit.
Okay, so I forgot to record what I'm doing with the plastic, so I'm gonna explain it to you. So what I'm gonna do is take this plastic and put it on top of the new material and just trace around it. Of course, I'm gonna add a seam allowance. You could do a 1/2 inch, 3/8, or 1/4 inch. That's pretty much up to you. After you trace it, just cut it out and you sew it together like you see I'm doing here. They go to the driver door. Let's go around there and check that out. So all this stuff was like this broke when he brought it to me. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to at least get it back on there and glue it together as good as I can. So I'm about to go ahead and do that. I may show you how I look afterwards, but other than that, it's ready. I got one last video I'm gonna show you how I did the visors. If you thought that was crazy, I'm dropping a brand new DIY upholstery video every single Sunday, and I'm teaching you everything I know. No gatekeeping. Comment below right now and tell me what you want me to fix, build, or teach next. I'm picking videos from the comments. Click the video on the left to keep watching this series. And if you learned anything today, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with somebody who needs their interior saved.